Hey guys, it's StikBot Junkie here, and today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the StikBot Off the Grid Action Pack. The StikBot Off the Grid Action Pack that I got comes with Striker, Clint, and Pixel. Here's the side of the box. Shows like some of the characters and Off the Grid. Here's the back. Free app right here. If you guys haven't already, then make sure to go download the StikBot Studios app. It's free and it shows the Off the Grid. Guys, go subscribe to StikBot Central. Here's this little words right here. Outside of the grid, no StikBot is safe. With the epic cast from the hit series Off the Grid, you can recreate your favorite scenes or make new ones. You are the director now. Lights, camera, animation. So yeah guys, let's open these up. Just open it like this. Comes with this little background. Yeah. And now here are the StikBots. Okay. So it comes with this little thing. It says Off the Grid. It's pretty cool. Now the first one we have is Striker. Striker comes with his headband. Striker is a copper metal bot, so yeah, that's pretty cool. He comes with his backpack. This attaches to his neck and his back, so yeah, that looks pretty cool. And then we have his gun. It attaches straight on to the suction cup, so yeah, that's pretty cool. And now Striker could fire. And then it comes with his armor thing, and this armor thing just attaches to his armor attaches to his arm. So yeah, that's pretty cool. The next person we have is Clint. Now Clint comes with his cape. So Clint is a solid turquoise StikBot, and he comes with his cape that he has. Comes with his helmet. The goggles are green. That's pretty nice. Put it on. Clint comes with a hand clip. So you could and this is his revolver gun. So yeah, he holds it. Wait, what? He holds it like this. So yeah, that's Clint. He's pretty cool. Clint is one of my favorite characters. So anyways, next we have Pixel. She is a translucent pink StikBot with the glitter. She comes with 2 hand clips. She comes with a shield, and the shield, you attach it to her arm and her suction cup, so it goes on like this. See? And also, she has her hand clips, and then her awesome sword goes. And yeah, that's Pixel. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the Off the Grid action packs, and I definitely recommend that you should get these because these are really cool and they come with a lot of cool stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed that video, and bye.